Right, so what I've done here is that I've made these two plates, put a little slot in, and I mean they're both solid now, and then put a bar down the middle. What I'm about to do now is just run a little weld just on the top there, although I'm not sure that I actually need to, because yeah, right, that will do. I mean, it's not like we've got a little tiny gap there, but never mind. I mean, the only way to do that really would be to actually cut those little pieces out, so then that goes flat, but it doesn't matter, to be honest. Right, there's them all sorted out. Now, thing about nuts and bolts is that when you're storing them, you need to keep them oiled. There. Oops. So anyway, they're good in there. Now let's have a look and see whether we can fit that somewhere. I don't think we can. As with sockets and spanners, I keep finding Allen keys all over the place. There we go. I think that's this toolbox just about finished, folks. We got, hang on, yeah, we got the sockets in, we got a good selection of pliers, Allen keys, more sockets. We have all the ratchet handles. Oops. Yeah, all the ratchet handles. And then we've got even more sockets down here. These are mainly star ones down there. There's a few hex ones, but they're mainly star ones. Right, so we're on with this toolbox renovation. We're on to the second box at the moment. So what I'm doing now is cutting these slots. So
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
oh, that worked out well.
Fuck me.
Over here I've got to deal with. need to get this out. There we go. That's better. Oh, look at that. Much better. Oh, you bastard. Just to finish off this toolbox video, so as you can see, and this was actually in use, I'm gonna have to think about maybe bending these that way instead of that way. I mean, you know, there's no sharp edges there, so, but anyway, yeah. And then we've got a selection of stuff here. That one's busted. Now I don't know whether you can actually see that. Let me see. Yeah, but there should be like a little ball bearing in there on that spring, and it's, but as you can see, for some reason it's taken chips out. And that bit is completely busted. Yeah. Yeah, that's actually broken off. So, but, I mean, no matter. We'll put those in there. And then we've got an assortment of spanners here. So that's basically that toolbox fixed. I'm not too sure why the crow's feet keep popping out, but still. Anyway, whoops. So there, and there, there, and there, and I quite like this because it's got like a little bar that goes down the back of it. That stops the drawers from coming out. It's right at the back here. But anyway, that finishes off that toolbox.